Okay, welcome to Fitness in a Flash. Today we're just going to do some cardio moves. One is going to be kind of a step back with a row, but we're going to keep our hands high. So I'll show that one. We'll do 30 seconds there. And then the other one is just kind of some overhead reach side step moves. So just get our heart rate up here for a few minutes and we'll get started here. Okay, so first move is, I'll just kind of demonstrate it from the side. So what we're gonna do is kind of leaning forward, but you're gonna do a step back and your elbows will be high. So we'll do a step back here. And I'm almost keeping in a little bit of a squatted position. But if you lean forward and really squeeze those shoulder blades together, you can go faster or slower if you want to make it more of a cardio move. Get that heart rate up. Get that chest nice and open. Don't round your shoulders forward. Nice job. Do about 10 seconds here. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, and then just side step with overhead reach. So again, you can go as fast or as slow as you want. Faster you go, higher the heart rate's gonna get here. Really stretching out those sides. Especially good after sitting for a while. About 10 seconds here. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, back to that stepping back with keeping your hands high for our row. Again, squeezing those shoulder blades together. Keep that chest high, elbows and hands high. And about 10 seconds here. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, and then back to that overhead reach. So if you want to go faster for more of a cardio workout, if you want to do it more for a stretch, you can go a little slower. Stretch out after those rows. About 10 seconds here. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, all right, shake it out. I know my shoulders are burning. All right, so we'll do just a forward fold here. Stretch out the neck too. All right, then we'll do some arm stretches here. So right arm across. And switch. All right, then we're going to stretch our chest out. So I'm going to actually interlock my hands. If you can interlock your hands behind you. Stretching out those shoulders, chest. This one is good too if we've been sitting a while at our desk, maybe slouching. All right, then we'll just do a neck stretch each way. And switch. All right, you're all set. Have a great rest of your day.